Smart Lock Installation Guide. 1. Accessories Inventory. Front handle, rear handle, keys, lock body, strike plate, latch cover, self-tapping screws, connecting sleeve, connecting screws, square drive rod, screwdriver, IC cards. 2. Lock Body Installation Guide. Check the distance from the door edge to the center of the round hole. Standard, 60 mm, no adjustment needed. If 70 mm, adjust the lock body position. Hold the lock body and slide the square hole toward the 70 mm position. Adjust back to 60 mm if required. Insert the lock body into the door frame slot. Secure with self-tapping screws. Ensure the square hole aligns with the center of the round hole. Attach the strike plate and latch cover to the door frame. Fix them with self-tapping screws. 3. Smart Lock Assembly. Measure door thickness. Choose a sleeve length that fits flush with the door edge, do not protrude. Screw the sleeve onto the front handle's mounting post. Tighten with pliers. Insert the square rod through the front handle's power cable loop. Align and push into the front handle's square hole. Loosen the rear cover screws and open the battery compartment. Pass the power cable and square rod through the lock body square hole. Route the power cable through the rear handle's square hole. Align the front handle's square rod with the rear handle and snap into place. Attach the rear handle with connecting screws. Plug the front and rear power cables together. Insert 4 XAA batteries, observed polarity. Secure rear cover. Secure the rear cover screws. Insert a 1.5 mm pin tool into the rear handle's small reset hole. Press and hold for 3-5 seconds until the lock beeps. Voice prompt will confirm. Reset to factory settings. Installation complete. Fingerprint unlocking, IC card unlocking, password unlocking, key unlocking. Toggle open or close mode. Press open for continuous unlocked state. Press close to restore normal operation.